Hey guys, it's Christy with Christy's Custom Creations, and I have decided to dive into the world of sublimation. I have a sublimation haul here, and I have everything for t-shirts and tumblers to sublimate both shirts and tumblers. But I have decided that I wanted to first and foremost start off with some shirts. So I want to go over everything with y'all that I purchased for shirts. Now there's probably some tumbler stuff mixed in here as well, so if I pull it out of the boxes, ignore it because I'll go over the tumbler stuff in another video, but it's all boxed together because I ordered, I think, all of it from Amazon. So let's go ahead and get started, and I will show you everything that I got for sublimation. This is going to be a tumbler thing, but it goes into a little convection oven that I bought, and I'm not going to show you all the oven because it's really big, and that means I'd have to pick it up, but it goes into the oven for tumblers. So for my ink, okay, everything did not come from Amazon. I ordered my ink from Cosmos Ink. I heard really, really good stuff about it. I saw some really good tutorials on it, and so I wanted to give Cosmos Ink a try. And so I've got all the different colors. It's like cyan and black and everything in Cosmos. So I am going to start off with that, and then we will, if I want to go with a different brand, I can, but heard really good stuff about Cosmos Ink. So this is the ET-15000 here, and I'm not going to unbox it right now because it's huge, but because I got the ET-15000, it can print larger pictures. So it can print, this is a 13 by 19, yes, 13 by 19 sublimation paper. So the ET-15000 can print this big, or it can print on a normal letter size. There's all different sizes that you can print on, so that's why I got that one. Let's move on to the next box. Really hope there was nothing breakable in there. So we have this afternoon, we have been bleaching t-shirts so that we can sublimate them, because I absolutely love the look of a bleached shirt for sublimation. Okay, so in here, that has nothing to do with anything. I have got some heat tape for tumblers or shirts or whatever. I have got a tape dispenser for my heat tape. I have heat gloves. This is going to be more for doing tumblers, for whenever I do tumblers, and I pull them out of the convection oven. And then this is going to be my paper. I got S-Race sub paper. It's kind of hard to see. S-Race sub paper. So that is paper that I got. It had pretty good reviews on Amazon. I know nothing about it, so we will find out. These are shrink sleeves for doing the tumblers, which, like I said, we'll get more into that later on. And this is sunglasses for my kid, so nothing to do with this. I guess that's everything that I have for sublimation. So basically what we're going to do is, I've got my sub paper, I've got my ET-15000, and we're going to set it up and get it ready for sublimating, for printing sub paper, or printing on sub paper, so with the Cosmos ink. And I will show that in the next video. So I just wanted to show my haul, my sublimation haul. I also have a case of, I think, 24 skinny straight sublimation tumblers from Maker's Flow in my garage, which I'm not going to drag those all the way out here to show you a box that I haven't even opened up yet, but I do have a box. I think it's 24. I think 24. But anyways, I've got, a box of those, and that's part of my haul as well, but I will get into all of that whenever I do a video on sublimating the tumblers. So for right now, we're going to sublimate some shirts, and keep an eye out for that in one of my next upcoming videos. I hope everybody has a great day, and y'all take care. Bye.